baka nga ikaw gumawa ng exam.
Okay, siya yung gumawa, babagsak ka pa rin. Yeah, Shell is done. Top 5 isn't number 1. Hindi naman lahat equal at sabay tayo. Sometimes, kahit may kasama mo, yung zero.
Stop being dramatic. We all have the same chance if we work harder.
Tama, and I'm aiming for number 1. So, good luck to all. There it is. Cracks already showing.
May kumalat na chismis na nagdayalaw ako sa quiz. And it came from here. Dahil sabihin mo sino.
Seryoso na tayo. Sino kaya itong nabida?
Only one person knew. Aga stayed the letter A last time. Maya?
Fine. Yes, it was me. I'm tired of always being in her shadow.
You could have just told her. You could have listened.
Tell her what? Not always best second best. Even my best of friends outshines me.
Maya! You were my best friend. How did you betray me?
Don't blame Maya alone. She whispered, but I spread the rumor.
Noah! Pero bakit?
Because no one ever noticed me. Invisible ako dito. For once, I wanted to matter.
Wow! Confession time! Sino ba next?
Guys, ang awkward. Parang may multo dito.
Hindi mo to, kundi trust kasi patay na. Guys, please, we can still fix this. Let's just forget what happened yesterday.
Forget after all that? Impossible. Stop pretending. This isn't about rumors anymore. It's about all of us. Ivy, what are you saying?
I started it. Ako nagsabi kay Noah. I wanted this circle to collapse. It was you? You wanted to destroy us?
Laro-laro lang ba ito sa'yo?
Enough! You think this is new? Di na cheating ang issue dito. I've been watching, collecting lahat ng baon niyo nandito.
Ella, where did you get all that?
You're spying on us?
Not spying, observing, and now exposing.
Ella! Why? We're your friends!
Friends? Friends don't stab each other's back.
Guess we're not the circle of 10 anymore.
No, we're the circle of 10 betrayals.
What happened to us now? Guys, we can still fix this. Please, kaya pa natin to.
Fix? Fix what? Look around, wala nang tiwala.
Wanted this, Ella. Don't act innocent.
Maybe I did, or maybe I just gave you the stage to show who you really are.
Then let's add another truth. Ella isn't the only one with dirt on all of you. I've been documenting everything too. Backup copies. If Ella goes down, you all go with her. Leah, ikaw rin?
Ang saya. Puro pala tayo mga spy. Enough! You think secret are worse? You haven't heard none. I didn't just spread the rumor. I changed the ranking last exam. Ava, you were supposed to be number 2.
So, all this time, I was jealous for nothing?
You destroying me, Noah?
Oh, this is delicious. One betrayal after another one? Anyone else? Or dapat maglaglagan na lahat dito.
Don't pretend. You're just the messenger. That USB, I know you got those files. You used my laptop. You hacked me.
Then what if I did? Then that's make you feel guilty too, doesn't it?
Guess what? We're not the serial of 10 anymore. We're a time bomb.
Guys, si Aba ba yun?
I think it's her. Tara, puntahan natin.
Aba, are you okay?
I can't believe they betrayed me. I trusted them with all of my heart and treated them like a family.
Lane, I feel so guilty right now. We've been friends for a long time. What am I supposed to do? Paano ko ibabalik yung pagkakaibigan namin dalawa?
Guilty ka talaga. Kasi meron na may magawa. Okay lang yan. Ako rin naman eh. Guilty ako kasi in-expose ko lahat ng ano ang nalaman ko. Napataan ko yan. Pag-usapan natin na.
Thank you, Lane.
Tara na.
Sila naman pala yun!
Tara, puntahan natin!
Ivy, Nawa, pwede ba tayo mag-usap?
Kung saan? Yung nangyari sa atin kahapon. Yun naman pag-usapan natin doon.
Alam mo na, wala sila natin pagkakaibigan.
Puntahan natin sila. Sige. Saan kayo pupunta?
Kila Aba.
Para saan?
Nakipag-usap.
Tungkol saan naman?
So, nangyari kahapon sa library. Gusto mo sumama?
Tara.
Sige, tara.
Sila ba ba yun?
Oo, sila. Tara, puntahan natin.
Ba't kayo nandito? Aba, gusto lang namin mag-sorry sa ginawa namin. As your best friend, gusto ko makipag-ayos. Gusto ko ayusin yung pagkakaibigan nating nasira.
Anak, alam kong mali yung ginawa ko. Hindi ko dapat pinakialaman ang mga documentary mo. Pasensya na talaga.
Aba, I'm sorry kasi in-expose ko lahat ng mga nalaman ko. Alam kong mali yun. Pasensya na talaga. Sana magpatawad mo.
Aba, gusto ko rin humingi ng paumanhin dahil sa mga masasamang sinabi ko sa'yo. Sorry talaga.
Ako rin, Aba. Patawad na pinalitan ko yung ranking sa exam. Sana mapatawad mo rin ako.
Okay lang yun. Sana wag niyang ulitin at sana maayos na ito lahat. Total, okay naman na. Sabay tayong umuwi. Hala!
Sa huli, binigyan nila ang isa't isa ng pagkakataon na mag-ayos at muling buuin ang tiwalang minsang nabasag. Hindi madali ang magpatawad, lalo na kapag ang taong nasaktan ka ay siya ring minahal mo bilang kaibigan. Ngunit pinili nilang katalikuran ang galit at yakapin ang pag-unawa.